I'm saying we need to hurry up. What's up, dudes? We're back. Alright guys, we're about to go to my house and get the gator, decoys, waders, all the stuff we need. We're getting gas right now, had to get some gas. Then we're gonna come back to Tucker and stay at Alex's house tonight, and then real smooth. And then get up in the morning and go kill some ducks. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. See y'all at my house. That was still pretty loud.
Finally back at the house. We got everything loaded up and ready for in the morning. It's supposed to be pretty good. Wind's gonna be nice for where we're hunting at. What do you think, Noah?
I think it's gonna be pretty good. It's supposed to be pretty cool tomorrow. You know, after all this rain, I feel like, you know, since the ducks have had some time, we're gonna actually see some.
Alex here with Fallen Oaks. It is currently 5:08. We are on our way to the spot. A little bit chillier this morning than we thought it would be. That's good though. Shooting time's at 6:20, so we'll have plenty of time to get the decoys set up, get everything situated. Hopefully we'll kill something. We'll see y'all at the spot. This ain't comfy at all. That was quite the comfortable ride.
Does that just slide down in there and set?
Well, no, Nathan, you gotta...
No, it just slides down in there and sets. Like that.
We made it out to the blind. Got everything set up. Decoys were already thrown out for us, so somebody's been out here. Now we're just waiting on sunrise.
I just blew one's face off. I don't think we got any of that.
No.
Damn gun. How the hell that son of a bitch lived? It's hot. I will say, well, it's hot.
We got our first limit of the year. I got absolutely soaked for the first time this year. I'd say it's been a good day.
Gotta get that natural light. Alright guys, that's it for this video. We're about to load it up and we're gonna head back to the house.
I'm butt wet.
Anyway, we're gonna head back to the house, probably get something to eat and start editing away on this. Thank you for watching. If you like it, leave a thumbs up. If you're not part of the family here, hit the subscribe button. Alright.
Small family.
Yeah, it's kind of...
My whole body's wet.
See you next time.
Nice little cotton top there.